Today we will start with June 2000. Okay, thank you. So we will start with June 2019, 2019 paper. 2019 paper, question number 3, JavaScript question. Okay, so here see this question, JavaScript provides interactivity for web pages. Figure 4 shows JavaScript used to calculate the cost of sending a parcel. So now here you can see var weight is equal to prompt enter the parcel weight in kilogram, length prompt enter parcel in length in centimeter. Describe how the code works using these input values. Weight is 0.95 and length is 20. So what will happen here? So what is the answer for this question? How you can say for the example, for the weight, if you input 0.95 and length if you input 20, what is the answer? What is the output you will get? Any answers, Ravina? What will the answer? Any comments? In this case, Rovini, what will happen is, now you see here, weight is 0.95. So here if you 3.85. No, Revenu, here see now in this case, one of these alert message should display. Okay. So one of these alert message should display. So now here you can see clearly, carefully see here, say weight is how much? 0.95. So then this 0.95 is less than 1. So then this condition is correct. Okay, then this condition is okay, true. Okay, this condition is true. Then length is equal less than 20. Is it correct, true or false? Length is less than equal 20, true or false? Because then they are given 20. So then this is true or false? This is also true. So that means this is true and this is true, mean this both will get true. And no. So then this message will display. So the answer should be yes. Answer should be answer will be for this question. Answer will be this for this question. Here see. Answer will be the question. The input weight and height are checked against the first condition. So the result will be the following message will be displayed. This is a letter. The letter rate is this one. Is it clear, Ravina? Okay, thank you. So then we will move on to the next question. Okay, you see now open the file Q03B in your editor. The JavaScript code creates a drop-down list that displays the small image when an option is selected. When a small image is clicked, a large version of that image should be displayed in the current browser window. the JavaScript code is incomplete. This means that the large version of the image is not displayed. Amend the code so the large image is displayed. Save your code, save your amended code as Q03B finish.html. So what I do is here, so I will copy this one, copy and paste here. Say, we'll make it, rename it as answers. Okay, right, then I will open my Visual Code. I will open my Visual Code here. Now, open my Visual Code, open folder.
Good evening, sir.
Here in the desktop, AS 2025, June 2019, Q03, we say answers. Kirikesh, now we are doing the June 2019 paper. Now question number 3B. Okay, question number 3B. Here, question number 3B. So this is the code. Okay, this is the code. First of all, we will try to understand
2023.
this. Yeah. Yeah. Any question, please?
Is the paper June 2023, sir?
Yeah, June 2029. Sorry, June 2019. Yes. This
2019. Okay, sir. Thank you.
right. Here. So now we will understand this code first. Okay, we'll run this code for a moment. So Q3. Say once you run this code. So once you run this code, you can see when I click on the drop down, the images got selected. Okay. So carefully see first, then what they ask is when you click, this image should enlarge. Okay, now first of all, we have to understand how this
What
part
do they
is
mean
working.
by that? What do they mean by enlarge the image?
Anyone is saying something, put a chat message, not clear. So here,
Sir, can you hear me?
yeah. What is your?
Sorry, sir. I don't know why you couldn't hear me right now. What do they mean by enlarge the picture?
Enlarge picture. Enlarge picture. Yeah, good question. Enlarge picture. Enlarging the picture mean if you click the picture side. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Correct. Yeah. Enlarge picture mean something like this. Okay. So, say I'll show you. Enlarge picture mean what? You see, that is enlarge picture. Okay. So if you select, if you
Okay,
click,
sir. Thank you.
so that is so this is what we are going to do it now. Okay. Thanks for the question. Please ask any amount of question. So now, gentlemen, now first of all, before I enlarging, so before I do the enlarge part, say now you have to understand the available code. You see now because that this code can be a question in your paper. So now, but here some part is working now. So here if I select the drop down, the image is coming now. So that part you have to understand. Sometimes this part may be a question this time. Okay. So then how do you understand? First of all, we have to understand that. Yeah, okay. Now say carefully see here. Now I have not come to the question. I am understanding, but they are given to me. Okay. So any question, please raise here, put a message here. You see, now we have to consider the body part. You see, here I have a drop down box. See, I select, select mean, you know, it's a drop down box. Image option, on change, show selected image. That means when you do some changes in the drop down, say on change, you call the selected, yes, show selected image. This function is you are calling. That is the first thing you have to understand. Okay. So select, so for the drop down, you have given a name, image options. On change, show selected image. Right. Here now option value mass.ph, jpg, earth.jpg, moon.jpg. So those files are in this folder. You see, mass. Okay. So mass, earth, moon, those files are in this folder. Okay. Those files are in this folder. Right. Then you say image, ID, picture, mass. Yeah, the format is JPG. Correct. Yes. Correct. Yes. The picture, ID picture mass.jpg, mass with 200 space, on click enlarge image. Okay. So that means initially when you dot, say you have an image box, image, yes, you are displaying an image. Yes, image, no. So image, what mass only you are displaying first. You are displaying mass. You see, this is a picture display first. Okay, so this is the picture display first, mass picture. Okay, so that means you understand now when you, yes, can we change it to a slide? Yeah, can be done. Yes. That is a slideshow is there. Yeah, there's a question also. Yes, can be done. Yes, good question. Right. Here, so that is why this part is displaying. Hope so can you understand? So any question? So only thing is first of all we have to understand this part. So now here in the drop down box, and there's a image box. On click, that means when you click on click, you call this enlarge image. Okay, right. So that is here only we have to write some code. Right. Now what will happen is, now we will understand what is this on chain. So now this code is useful for us to do this one. In your paper, they will give the code in some other place, and we must understand and get that code here. Right. Here, see now what you have to understand is here. Say if I click here, these images are changing, no? So that is what happening in this part. That is happening in this part. How do you happen? I am saying var document get element by ID image options. That mean now here the image option mean, so now for the example, so the image option mean, so image option mean now here that this is the image option. That means that here the image option you can see here. The image option, say we'll say this is the image option. So there are 3 images are here. Say suppose if you click this place. So if you click this place, so that is captured to the variable. Okay. So say whatever place you click, because get element by ID image option to doc, then so that this part is this place is this image is captured in the doc variable. Then what you do is picture is equal to document dot picture. That means this place is captured. This picture image is captured. So then to display the image, so what we do is picture.source. That means for that picture.source, whatever the dot value, because dot value means that image name. So say now here it is whatever the place you click, it takes that dot value, and picture style.width is 200 px. Okay, clear? Right. Then hope it is clear. Now here what we have to do now. To enlarge the picture, what do we have to do now? To enlarge the picture, what we have to do? First, we have to capture the picture element. How do you capture the picture element? How do you so how do you say now for the example, when you when you click here, that when you click that, the image will come. Yeah, when click enlarge. Okay. So then how do you how do you, what is the command to get the picture element here? So say what that mean, the so the picture is displayed in this picture box. Now how do you get that one? Say we can say var picture pic. So document get element by id, doc get element by id, within the bracket. What do you say here? If you can say that document get element by id, what is the element by id you can say here? So I want to get this location. So here, so now it's a drop down box. Then the image image is here. Okay, now I want to get this image because I want to enlarge this. So how do you get? So how do you capture this place? How do you get this place? Get element by ID. What is that name? What is the what we have to give inside?
So what's your question, sir? I don't understand.
Can you type and tell me? How do you get this place? How do they get this? Get element by ID. What? Picture. Very good. Well done. Get element by ID. Well done. So get element by ID picture. Because the ID is given here. Right. So then I want to increase the style. So I want to increase the width. What is the command to increase the width? What is the command to increase the width? Right, picture style width. Okay, very good. So then picture dot style dot width. Say how much you put. We'll say 600 px. Okay, that's all. Then control X. It should be with a quotation mark. Okay, right. So control S. Now, okay, you understand? So not this place I have done in here. June 2019 answers Q03B. Okay. I'll keep this coding for a while. Can you all do it by your side? Can you all do it by your side? And tell me whether you are okay. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, shall I continue? Okay. So that is about that question. Hope you all have done it. Right. Next question. Any question, please ask me. Right. This is what I was discussing in the class, the image slide show. Uh, uh, Open file Q03 HTML in your editor. JavaScript code contains an incomplete function that should display 4 images in the slideshow. Okay. Okay. The user should be able to view each image by clicking the button under the images. Amend the code, the HTML and move function. The code should display only one image at a time. Have a forward button. When click it shows the next image. The first image after viewing the fourth image. Have a back button. When is clicked, it shows the previous image and the fourth image after viewing the first image. So you understand this, no? So that means slideshow mean now you have images like this. 0. See, you have images, 4 images. 0, 1, say 2, 3. Okay. So then say initially it will say, we'll say first is 0 is displayed. Then if you say next, then this will display. Then next mean this will display. Then next mean this will display. Then next mean what will happen? Any question? Then next mean what will happen? At this point, when you say next mean, what will happen? It will display this image. Okay. It will again go back to this place. Okay. That is one. That is a first case. In other way, say now here, say we are here. When you say previous, it will come here. So from here, previous mean, it will come here. From here, previous mean, it will come here. Again, if you say previous, it will go to here. From here, if you press previous button, it will go to that place. Right. Hope it is clear. Right. How we can solve this problem? Right. Yes, question. Very good. Yeah, it start from 0. Very good. It start from 0. Yes, correct. It start from 0. Right. So then I will open Q03. Right. Here we have to add the code. We are right here. This is the place. Hope if you can remember the theory part, it will be easy. You see now move direction. Okay, okay, if you see move direction. Okay, now if the current slide is the last slide and move next button is slide index set to the first slide. Yes, slide in the first slide. Okay. Then else set the site index to last light. So that means site index to last light. What is the meaning of that? Can you remember the classwork? Okay, now here see now on click, you see they have only they have carefully see here button on click move forward next button. Then they are saying add a button at a button at a back button and call the move function. Okay, at a back button and call the move function. Right. So then how what you write what do you write here? So what is the command you will write here? So what is they are given a space to add the back button. So what is the command? How do you write the back button? Can you send me the coding now? To write the back button, can you send me the coding? Right. Button on click, move backward. Right. Very good. So, right. So that will be like this. Okay. Very good. Well tried. Good. Good one. So, so then we'll say here button. See the way button on click. On click. Then here we'll say back. See the way I am doing it. Okay. Button. Okay. Right. Okay. So button on click, move backward. Okay. So we'll see whether the button has come. Ah, yes, the button has come here. Okay, right. Okay, now we will see how we can go ahead with this one. So these I don't need now. Right. Right. Now here, here, now you see, so in this place, what happened? Can you tell me in this place what happened? You understand? Here, for example, here we are calling show slide first slide. Okay, that means show the first slide. Okay, so initially show the first slide. That means, say if it is first slide mean, say first slide mean how much? First slide is 0. Show slide 0. Then 0 mean here slideshow count display none. That means it will display the count, slideshow count mean you understand slideshow count mean what? You understand slideshow count? What is the meaning of slideshow count? So this is a slide, this is a slideshow. So here we have 4. We'll say this is slideshow. So this is a position 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1, you have clouds, cloud image. 2, 0. Then second was Milky Way. Second, stars. Then third, sun. So what you do is here, in this place, okay, in this place, in the show slide, here what you do is, for count is equal to count less than last slide, count plus plus. Last slide is what? 3. Because